genius. Welcome back to class. Nice to see you. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter A to letter E. And we are also going to associate them with their corresponding objects. Now, I want you to get prepared as we sound these letters. Letter A. Letter B. Letter B. Letter K. Letter K. Letter D. Letter D. Letter E. Letter E. Now, let's see the following objects we can associate them with. Animals. Ants. Ants. Apple. I love apple. Apple. Book. Book. Boat. Boat. Ball. Ball. Cup. 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 Dress. I love dress. Dress. Dog. Dog. Egg. Do you love egg? Good. I know you do. Eye. Eye. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. As in ant. As in animals. As in apple. As in apple. B as in boat. B as in boat. B as in book. B as in book. B as in ball. B as in ball. K as in cup. K as in cup. K as in cap. K as in cap. D as in dress. D as in dress. D as in dog. D as in dog. E as in egg. as in egg. E as in eyes. E as in eyes. All right. This will bring us to the end of this lesson today. Don't forget to attempt your quiz and your assignment. Hopefully, I'm going to see you in our next class. Bye.